can make hand unite and gacha online. I tried my best to make him good, but clearly it wasn't good as I thought it would be. So no, I just messed it up. So don't hate on it. If you do, I'm just gonna have to delete your comments in the below. And might roast you for it. But anyway, let's get this over with. So, okay. Back hair. 70, 77. No. Back hair. 82. Face AC1. Face AC1. Face AC1. 2976. Head AC 69. And for face AC, face AC, 3815. Eyes 33. Pupils 999. Shirt 7. Pants 1. This. And you're done.